The Auto Shuttle, a cutting-edge passenger bus being tested in the UK, is an unusual self-driving bus currently undergoing testing in Europe. This cutting-edge vehicle uses cameras, Argo's patented software, and LiDAR technology to paint a consistent and clear picture of its surroundings. A human operator will accompany the buses during the testing phase, prepared to take control of the bus in the event of any errors. But Argo's goal is to quickly switch out human operators with remote supervisors. Although they won't be physically present on the bus, these supervisors will be able to take over the control process in the event that something goes wrong. While the company works to develop fully autonomous technology, this strategic transition aims to gradually introduce passengers to the idea of riding a driverless bus. Recently, Tokyo-based startup Subam Industries unveiled ArcX, an incredible 3.5-ton robot suit that costs a whopping $3 million. With its 14 feet 9.2 inches height, ArcX is sure to revolutionize both space exploration and emergency response. This technological marvel's cockpit is outfitted with monitors that effortlessly receive real-time images from external cameras, providing the pilot with an unmatched perspective of the environment. Using joysticks, pilots can operate ArcX in 2 different modes and reach top speeds of 6.2 miles per hour. Similar to a real-life transformer, this adaptable robot suit changes into different modes rather than being a static piece of equipment. In critical situations like firefighting, disaster response, and even space exploration, ArcX is seen by Subam Industries as a vital tool. Because of its sophisticated features and sturdy build, it's a great ally when navigating dangerous environments. With the Vector robot feeder, Lily has unveiled a novel economic idea that aims to transform the cow feeding industry. With the least amount of labor required, this technology provides accurate, consistent feeding and guarantees a steady supply of fresh food. The robot feeder, using an advanced system, determines the best feeding times. Frequent assessment of the feed height in every segment enables the robot to determine when restocking is required. Additionally, the device can be configured to include particular ingredients that are specific to the dietary requirements of a given group of cows, improving feed efficiency and promoting the general growth and productivity of the animals. These robots have a control system that goes beyond automation. Regular reports on the feeding strategy's efficiency and financial success are produced, providing valuable information on the return on investment and pointing out any dietary changes that may be required. Agility Robotics is set to launch the first ever droid manufacturing plant, RoboFob, in full production mode. This enormous 6,500 square meter facility is used only to manufacture the first generation of Digit humanoid robots. The 4-legged humanoid robot Digit is an excellent navigator and helper in manufacturing and warehouse settings. It can move and sort things with ease, as well as climb stairs without difficulty, among other things. The manufacturing plant, RoboFob, has big plans to make 10,000 droids a year and employ a workforce of 500. By successfully developing prototypes of their humanoid robots that are ready for production, Agility Robotics has already surpassed industry standards, and Tesla's initiatives, the highly anticipated Digit robots, are expected to go on sale to the public in 2025, after making their public debut for the first time in 2024 for select customers. Volo Region, a 4-seat eVTOL aircraft, has successfully completed its first flight. It can carry up to 4 passengers and has an impressive flight range of up to 62 miles, making it the only eVTOL aircraft in the Western Hemisphere. Volo Region runs emission-free and has a maximum speed of 155.3 miles per hour. This unique aircraft has 2 electric F-wings that provide lift for horizontal flight, in addition to 6 rotors for vertical takeoff and landing. Volo Region, intended for passenger travel or private aviation trips, is expected to become a dependable means of transportation. After a nearly 3-minute test flight, developers are now concentrating on perfecting the system's details. The system functions effectively. Volo region is expected to be operational by 2026. The Tethered to the Sea Aquapod is a novel offshore aquaculture containment system created by an engineer at Ocean Farm Technologies. Large floating fish farms like these are cleverly positioned deep underwater and offer a promising answer to the problem of declining fish populations in the world's oceans. Conventional fish farming practices frequently use static, overcrowded pens with poor water circulation, which can cause disease outbreaks and put a great deal of strain on the ecosystem. The aquapods, on the other hand, transformed this method. Deep-sea ocean fish provide an adaptable home in untethered, freely floating underwater habitats that resemble enormous spheres. The capacity of aquapods to relocate themselves in response to changes in ocean currents is one of their main advantages. Because fish within the aquapods can move freely, simulating a more natural and sustainable environment, this dynamic feature significantly reduces environmental impact and mitigates issues of overcrowding in pans. China is testing the world's first unmanned flying train, an incredible sight, even though it isn't really a flying machine, but rather an engineering marvel. The SkyTrain is a monorail that is suspended from the ceiling and measures an impressive 6.5 miles in length. The SkyTrain is a fully operational aerial transportation system that can transport up to 200 passengers at a time and reaches speeds of 37 miles per hour. This futuristic train suspended in midair provides the comfort and effectiveness of conventional trains, plus additional advantages. The monorail was built in just 7 months, which is about the same amount of time as installing conventional train tracks. The benefits are clear: more room for people and vehicles, fewer accidents, and all of this at the same price as a conventional train system. The futuristic McMurtry Spearling single-seater car has an incredible 1,000 horsepower. This powerful vehicle bears a resemblance to the classic Batmobile, but it outperforms it in terms of performance. Despite its small size, its gull-wing-style door provides enough room underneath for a driver over 6 feet tall. The McMurtry Spearling can accelerate from 0 to 186.5 miles per hour in just 9 seconds, which is comparable to the top speed of 199.5 miles per hour achieved by Formula One cars. This electric car is unique in that it can travel 300 miles on a single charge, which is an impressive range. Thanks to these exceptional qualities, the McMurtry Spearling is set to completely change the way that sports electric cars are made in the future. The Chinese automaker BYD recently unveiled its intriguing Yangwang 9 electric car in an eye-catching presentation, laying the groundwork for what may turn out to be the world's most powerful and environmentally friendly vehicle. With a total power of 1,100 horsepower across 4 electric motors, the Yangwang 9 can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in an incredible 2 seconds. During the presentation, the Yangwang 9 demonstrated its agility by jumping, tilting in different directions, and even traveling on 3 wheels. Even if one of the electric car's wheels is fully deflated or detached, according to BYD, it can still run. The vehicle's remarkable resilience is due to its advanced disc suspension, which controls the shock absorbers on all 4 wheels independently. Given its remarkable power and speed, the Yangwang 9 can travel an impressive 435 miles on a single charge, which is a remarkable achievement. At the upcoming Shanghai Auto Show at the start of next year, this supercar will finally make its full debut. A remarkably compact spiral wind turbine called Starwind is designed to effectively transform wind energy into useful electrical power. Its unique spiral configuration, which is shaped like a drop, is purposefully designed to capture more wind energy. The housing rotates the shaft while generating electricity by deftly breaking the wind into smaller streams inside. Even on the roof of a typical residential home, Starwind is incredibly simple to install due to its compact size. Depending on the weather, a fully sized 5-ton unit can generate an amazing 1 kilowatt of electricity, allowing users to recover the cost of the turbine in as little as 3 to 5 years. In addition to its financial advantages, Starwind also makes a significant contribution to increased energy accessibility at a low cost, and it runs silently without generating vibrations. The exterior aesthetics of the turbine have been thoughtfully designed to blend in with the features of your house, demonstrating its dedication to sustainability. The Fontis water bottle, an innovative creation by Austrian industrial designer Christoph Retezar, condenses air into potable water. Notably, under the right climate conditions, this innovation thrives even in arid environments. The device is a workable solution for water scarcity because it can collect up to 0.13 gallons of liquid per hour. Utilizing the fundamental concept of condensation, the Fontis water bottle is made to fasten to a bicycle frame. By riding a bike, Fontis simulates the formation of moisture on the surface of cooled objects in a warm environment. When cycling, warm air is created and flows through cool, water-repellent plates. These plates undergo condensation, and the resultant water flows into the bottle. Most importantly, the device's integrated solar battery powers a specialized thermostat that controls the cooling plates. With an estimated price tag of $100, the Fontis water bottle presents itself as an inventive and sustainable solution for on-the-go water generation, providing a window into the future of portable, environmentally friendly hydration. Elon Musk's humanoid robot, Optimus, has undergone significant improvements, representing a substantial advancement over its previous SpaceX prototype version. Thanks to the development of a deep neural network, Optimus now has more powers. It can now move through space, classify objects, keep its balance, and even perform kung fu moves. Elon Musk envisions Optimus playing a critical role in replacing a significant amount of regular human labor. It is stressed that Tesla created these robots to help with the most difficult tasks, rather than to replace human labor in the workplace. Tesla estimates that there is a substantial market for Optimus, with a potential market share of between 10 and 20 billion devices. The company predicts that in the future, robotics will be the main source of income,